With an average salary of 7 lakh rupees per year, digital marketing is one of the best industries for you to step into in 2023 and going forward into this decade. Do you want to get a free certificate from Google on digital marketing and e-commerce? If yes, make sure that you watch this video till the very end. Hit the like button and let's talk about this free course on Coursera about how can you learn digital marketing and get a job at the very end from Google itself. So this, as you can see, is the Coursera course by Google on digital marketing and e-commerce. As you can see, it's a professional certificate. I will talk about how can you get the certificate for free as well by the very end of this video. So make sure that you watch till the end. But this is what the course is all about. 4.8 star rating, 9,000 ratings, and 2 lakh plus people have gone through this course and it has helped them in their career itself. It will take you about 6 months to go through the entire coursework, and it is for beginners. If you have no idea about how can you create a digital presence of a business online, if you are just getting started, this is the perfect course for you to learn about the basics and then get opportunities in the digital marketing industry as well. There are 7 courses in this professional certificate that I will go through right now. First of all is the foundations of digital marketing, which will basically tell you about the benefits of being online. You learn about the job responsibilities of an entry-level digital marketer. You learn about the importance of digital marketing and e-commerce in a particular company. You learn about how to create goals for a digital marketing campaign or an e-commerce strategy as well. Moving on, the next course is around engaging and attracting customers with the help of digital marketing. Instead of this, you learn about how can you identify the customer persona and build your target audience around that. How can you describe the marketing funnel purpose? How can you increase the conversion rate? How can you explain the purpose of SEO and the essential SEO terms, right? You also learn about Google Search Console. So once you go through all of this, the next course is going to be from likes to leads, interaction with customers online, in which you'll sort of learn about social media marketing particularly. So particularly you'll learn about the 5 core pillars of social media marketing, which is strategy, planning, publishing, listening, and engagement, analytics, and reporting. Right? So these are the main important concepts that you need to know in social media marketing. Then you learn about how to choose social media platforms for a particular campaign and for a particular business. Certain businesses are best suited for Instagram, for YouTube, and then there are particular businesses that are suited for LinkedIn itself. So you learn how to choose the right strategy and the right platform for the particular product that the company has. Then you learn about how to boost engagement on social media. You learn about how to write, design, and repurpose engaging content, right? You also learn about how to use the data gathered from social media analytics as a decision making, right? To understand if this product is working or not. Moving on, the next course is around thinking outside the box, email marketing. Another very important aspect of digital marketing is email marketing, and this is one of the most important sections for any business out there to perfect their email marketing strategy and get more people hooked in to reading what the company is doing and producing. So if you go down over here, you learn about how to write effective preview text, right? You learn about creating email marketing automations and workflows. You learn about building and maintaining email lists. You learn about writing effective email copy and a lot of other things as well. You learn about conducting contact management and list segmentation. Once you move down, once you learn about email marketing, the next section is going to be assess for success, marketing analytics, right? Now it is time for you to analyze what you've done so far. So here you learn about how to do exactly that. You learn about planning and allocating the spending of marketing budgets. You learn about describing the unique role of performance goals and key performance indicators. You learn to create a key performance indicator in your business itself. You learn about tools like Google Analytics as well as Google Ads and how can you use them to measure the website and ad campaign performance. You'll also learn how to calculate the return on ad spend, which is also called as return on investment or ROAS. The next course is on make the sale, build, launch, and manage e-commerce stores. Again, this is a very big segment of digital marketing. If you can learn how can you effectively launch a product and handle the whole e-commerce side of it, you can be paid very well in this industry. I have freelancer friends who have launched courses and products of influencers, and they have optimized it so that these influencers can generate crores and crores in revenue, and they take a 5 to 10% cut and thereby end up making a lot of money as well. So if you will go over here, you will basically be learning about understanding essential e-commerce strategies, right? You learn about how to conduct market research. You'll also learn about setting up a mock e-commerce store using Shopify, another very important skill to learn. You'll also learn about using Google Ads to engage e-commerce customers. Moving on, you also learn about satisfaction guarantee, develop customer loyalty online. This is going to be a great course if you want to learn about common strategies for building customer loyalty in e-commerce. You'll learn about monitoring an e-commerce store performance. You learn about updating the e-commerce store based on data. You learn about creating a portfolio scenario to prepare for job interviews as well. It's not just Gyan, this course is going to help you succeed in your job interviews as well with the help of the tips that they have listed over here. You also learn to find, apply and prepare for interviews and jobs as I've talked previously. So this is the whole course. How do you get access to it? You can visit this link in the description of this page, but if you will click on enroll, right, it will ask you money. You don't need to pay for this. The best way to get this for free is by going down to individual course, right? Just click on courses, click on, let's just say the third course, from likes to leads. Open in a new tab, and this is what you will see. There are two options available to you. Number one, you can click on enroll for free, and when that happens, you need to click on the audit this course option, right? So audit is basically you getting access to the whole curriculum, but you will not get the certificate for it, right? This is what it looks like. You don't pay for this, you just click on audit this course right here. So you click on this and you get the course. I click on audit and I will get this particular course. This is what it takes, right? Now you'll be able to access this course from Coursera and you can learn it for completely free. But if you want the certificate as well, keep watching. I will tell you a trick for that as well. This is what the course looks like. I can go through every single week and I can start learning from it. The benefits of social media marketing, and this is how I can get started. Now I will go back to, let's just say, course number 2. I'll open it in a new tab and I will click on financial aid available. Essentially, you can sign up for financial aid on Coursera saying that you do not have the money to finance learning from these courses. And in that case, Coursera will give away the whole course to you for free, and you will also get to keep the certificate for completely free. Let me tell you how this works. You click on financial aid, select this particular course, click on continue to the application, and you can then apply. Where are you from? What is your annual income? Are you a student? What is the reason that you applied for this? As you can see, this is what I entered, and then you can click on I have reviewed and click on next. And in about 15 days, you will get an email from Coursera which says that thank you for applying. You are now accepted and you can get full access to this course along with the free certificate as well. So this is the Google certificate in digital marketing. It's going to be a great way for getting started in this field. Go try it out yourself. Link is again in the description. If you have any questions about the same, let me know in the comment section as well. I will see you all in the next video. Share this video with a friend of yours. Tell them about this course. Learn together, grow together. If you're still watching, write in the comment section I watched till the very end. You can also follow me on social media at Ishan Sharma 7390. I will see you all in the next video.